Hey everyone, welcome back with me again in this channel. So on today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to change the video resolutions or quality output in CapCut. So when you're done editing and you want to change the quality, the video quality when exporting, here's what you need to do. So before you click on export, you can just click on this box on the top and then you'll find resolution. So here there will be four options that you can choose: 480p, 720p, 1080p, and also 2K or 4K video. So in this case, let's say that I want to change the resolution into 2K. So you can just swipe these dots under the resolution to where to the resolutions that you want. Okay, I'm going to just swipe right, and after that you can just go back, and here it will be changed for 1080p into 2K because I chose this one before. And after that you can just click on the arrow to export the clip. Okay, so if you enjoyed the video, please give me a like and smash the subscribe button down there, and also remember to leave a comment, and last, please click on the thanks below. Thank you.